Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable dark mode on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable dark mode, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Personalization. Now click on Themes. Here you will find some predefined themes, and first one is the light theme and second one is the dark theme. Click on dark theme and dark mode is enabled on my Windows 11 computer. This is the easiest way to enable dark mode on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.